Hello. I just wanted to share a song that I wrote that is pretty near and dear to my heart because, ooh, that's disgusting. You're gross. So I wrote this song. It's about my dad. And anyone who knows me knows that I am literally the biggest daddy's girl on the planet, in the universe, to ever have existed. That's me. I'm her. Hello. Nice to meet you. My dad works on an oil rig, and he's done that on and off for ever. So he goes on hitch for about 2 to 3 weeks at a time, depending on the hitch, depending on the company that he works for, whatever. And he's usually gone about 2 to 3 weeks, and then he comes home for 2 to 3 weeks. And he's basically worked all over the country. He's worked in Pennsylvania, he's worked in North Dakota, he's worked in Wyoming, he's worked in Utah, you know, he's worked all over the place. And there was one time he drove 36 hours to watch me in a musical. Like, I don't know what just happened. Maybe I had a stroke. He drove from Pennsylvania to Magna just to see me in a musical. And I wasn't in the lead part either. Like, I was just, like, in the chorus. So, if that's not dad goals, I don't know what is. But he also, when he gets off work, he texts DOMF, which means days off, motherfucker. And that means he's coming home. So this song that I wrote for him, or I guess not really for him, but about him, is called Days Off, Motherfucker. bullshit that happened on Hitch. Cursing rants about that one little bitch. Now it don't matter, 'cause it's days off, motherfucker. It was really rough, but I don't care.